Today product review is Reese's 0 calories, or 0 sugar I should say, not calories. It's 110 calories. 110 calories, and as it says, 0 sugars added, which is very important, especially if you have diabetes, and important if you don't have diabetes also. So let's get this to shake out. Standard Reese cup. How's that cocoa-like smell? Let's see what this tastes like. I have to give it to them. They did a really, really good job on this Reese's. You can still tell there's something missing. But that peanut butter and how it comes all together, that's very good. Now, how many do you get? 3. So 3 of these Reese's cups, 110 calories. So you can go and eat a whole bag of them. But these are actually pretty good. 0 sugar, so if you're not diabetic and you need a treat, maybe a couple of these every once a week, you might be able to get away with it. That is the product review for Reese's Sugar Free. I give it a thumbs up. Until next time, family, take care.